Queensland's weather now with Craig Zonca.
Thanks, Jess. It's summer, it's hot, and we are waiting for rain. That said, there were a couple of showers this morning in the tropics, but that's about it. Birdsville cracked 45 degrees to be the state's hottest spot. Julia Creek has now recorded 16 consecutive days over 42 degrees, and maximums were largely 5 to 7 degrees above average through the interior. Closer to average along the coast, to 33 in Townsville and 31 in Gladstone. In the southeast, Brisbane climbed to 30, a top of 35 in Ipswich today, but then along the coast, much cooler, 28 around Redland Bay and the same on the Gold Coast. Now, as we zoom out, you can see the cloud band with thunderstorms stretching from South Australia up into WA. Some severe storms have just moved over Adelaide, and now that's ahead of a cold front which is pushing east and set to have a big effect on temperatures in the southern capitals. Adelaide hit 45 today. Tomorrow, a maximum of just 25. A similar story in Melbourne, where it reached 44. Tomorrow, a top of 20. Now, that cooler relief won't reach Canberra or Sydney until tomorrow afternoon. And there's no real reprieve for us in Queensland over the weekend. The high in the Tasman, it'll extend the southeasterly trade flow along the coast. Fine, sunny and hot through inland parts of the state. Any showers tomorrow, they'll be confined to the tropics, say between Cairns and Townsville. A few showers and storms also on the Northern Territory border on the Gulf Coast. And the heat, well, it'll peak on Sunday with maximums up to 10 degrees above average, particularly in the southern interior. Afternoon sea breezes should keep it a little cooler as we move down the coast. So to 32 in Cairns and Mackay tomorrow, mostly sunny up to 34 in Rockhampton, to 37 in Charters Towers and Moranbah, a hot 42 in Mount Isa. Further south, 25 to 41 in Longridge, up to 46 in Birdsville, 44 Windora, 43 in Charleville, 42 in Roma. Tracking east up to 40 in Dalby and Warwick. Toowoomba will get to 37, mostly sunny over the Wide Bay to 33 in Bundy, 32 in Harvey Bay. In Brisbane, 21 to 33, west of the city up to 38 in Ipswich, 40 in Gatton. The place to be is on the Gold Coast, to 30 at Coolangatta. On Moreton Bay, northeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots, tending northerly in the evening. Sunrise at about 10 to 5, and looking ahead, I think Santa has selective hearing when it comes to your wish for rain. He could deliver in the southeast. There is potential for a shower or two on Christmas Day in Brisbane, up to 31 in the city. And this is my last weather for a while, so here's to a wet start to 2020, and I hope you have a brilliant festive season. Jess.
Thanks, Craig. Enjoy the break. And thank you for watching. Good night.